Hi everybody, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the Tauchsport Snap-In Hose Holder. So this is effectively a alternative to those magnetic hose holders. The magnetic ones are very practical, very easy to sort of hold your gauges or your octo in one position, but then you can quickly release it. However, big powerful magnets means that they really skew your compass. So this is an alternative version of it. And how it basically works is you have three parts, but one part is basically two, if that makes sense. And they basically push together. On the inside, you can see we have this chunky O-ring and these three metal sort of arms, and they basically grip around this bulbous section on the metal part, so that when you push them together, it's quite a solid grip. But then if you do need to grab an octo or something, then yeah, you can. It can be quick release. So taking a closer look at it, so starting up at the top, we have a pretty basic clip that's just going to go onto the D-ring of your BCD. That then leads to a pretty big split ring, so if you wanted to swap that out for something else, you could. And then it goes to the metal section of the clip. So big bulbous section here, that's what it's grabbing onto and holding onto. You've got this sort of cross hatching on it, again, just to give you a little bit of grip. On the other side, so this section is made out of plastic. You've got that that traditional chunky O-ring on the inside there, and these three arms. This is what's grabbing onto the bulbous parts of the other side of the clip. And then the second part on the inside here, so that's screwed into place, so two screws, and then on the inside here you've got a spare O-ring and just a spacer sleeve. So that section goes over your hose, and then you screw it down on so that stays in place on your hose. If you do need it, you do have this little sleeve that just gives you a bit of extra sort of spacing to wrap and sort of hold onto your hose, and you can just cut that down to size as you need it. And they also give you a spare O-ring, just if that one inside the mechanism just breaks for whatever reason, just old age, you have a spare one so that you can replace it over time. So all in all, yeah, clever little quick release mechanism, and yeah, it's a good alternative to those magnetic clips. Granted, it's not going to self-locate, it's not going to find itself. You have to use both hands to really sort of push them together. But yeah, for a quick release clip mechanism, very clever. It feels very robust, and that does take quite some effort. It's not going to just slip off and fall off. You actually have to physically grab onto it and give it a good yank to be able to sort of separate it. So yeah, pretty clever, smart design, and yeah, well put together. This is the Tauchsport Snap-In Hose Holder. There's going to be more information on our website, simplyscuba.com. A link to this product down in the description below. Thank you for watching, and of course, safe diving.